Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 45 class 10 science achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table and limitation of Mendeleev classification। यानी क्या उसके अचीवमेंट थे, क्या उसमें कमियां थी, वो हम देखेंगे Mendeleev की periodic table में। Mendeleev arranged 63 elements known at that time in periodic table. According to the Mendeleev, the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic mass. The table consists of vertical columns called groups and horizontal rows called period. Achievement discuss करते हैं। Mendeleev kept some blank space in the periodic table for the elements that were yet to be discovered. जो डिस्कवर भी नहीं होते एलिमेंट उनके लिए भी पीरियड में जगह थी। ये एक बड़ा अचीवमेंट था। तो प्रेडिक्टेड एलिमेंट बोरॉन, एका बोरॉन जिसका नाम बाद में स्कैंडियम हुआ, एका एल्युमिनियम, एका सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम। तो एक्चुअल एलिमेंट जब डिस्कवर्ड हुए तो ये नाम हुए, इससे पहले ये नाम रखे गए थे एका बोरॉन, एका एल्युमिनियम, एका सिलिकॉन। ही ऑल्सो प्रिडिक्टेड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सम एलिमेंट्स इवन बिफोर देयर डिस्कवरी एंड वर लेटर फाउंड टू बी करेक्ट। जैसे एटॉमिक मास एका एल्युमिनियम का था 68 और जो गैलियम डिस्कवर्ड हुआ एका एल्युमिनियम की जगह तो 69.7। उसका मास सेम ही था एका एल्युमिनियम की जगह, जो उन्होंने पहले ही बता दिया था। उसका फार्मूला ऑक्साइड का भी E2O3 था और गैलियम का भी Ga2O3। फार्मूला ऑफ क्लोराइड ECl3 GaCl3। यानी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ बता दी थी मंडलीव ने, जो कि पहले से ही मंडलीव ने केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी उन तत्वों की भी बता देती, उन एलिमेंट्स की बता देती जो खोजे भी नहीं गए थे। Mendeleev's periodic table could accommodate noble gases when they were discovered without disturbing the existing elements. Mendeleev took the formula of oxides and hydrides formed by the elements as the basic property of the elements for their classification in the periodic table. Limitation: Mendeleev could not assign a correct position of hydrogen in the periodic table, as the property of hydrogen resembles both with alkali metal as well as with halogens. Like alkali metal, it combines with halogen, oxygen and sulfur. You can see here compounds of hydrogen HCl, H2O, H2S, and the same compounds of Na, same form NaCl, Na2O and Na2S, same characteristics, properties. Like halogen, it exists as diametric molecule and combines with metals and non-metals to form covalent compounds. यानी हाइड्रोजन की जो प्रॉपर्टी थी वो एल्कली मेटल से भी मिलती थी और हैलोजन से भी। The isotopes of the same element will be given different position if atomic number is taken as basis, which will disturb the symmetry of the periodic table. The atomic masses do not increase in the regular manner in going from one element to the next, so it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two elements. Now let us discuss the question. Who is known as father of periodic table? Which important property did he use to classify the elements in his periodic table? Mendeleev is known as father of periodic table. He used atomic mass and chemical property of elements to classify elements in his periodic table. Mendeleev kept some blank space in the periodic table for elements that were yet to be discovered. Name those elements and what were the names given to them. So you can see here predicted elements were eka boron, eka aluminum, eka silicon, and actual element discovered were scandium, gallium and germanium. You can see here. Write achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. Element with similar properties could be grouped together. Some group were left for the undiscovered elements. Third, noble gas could be placed without disturbing the existing order. Question number 4. What are the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table? Limitations: no fixed position for hydrogen, no place for isotopes, no regular trend in atomic mass. Cobalt was placed before nickel. And question number 5. Mendeleev could not assign a correct position of hydrogen in his periodic table. Why? Mendeleev could not assign a correct position of hydrogen in his periodic table, as the properties of hydrogen resembles both with alkali metal as well as with halogens. Like alkali metal, it combines with halogens, oxygen and sulfur. Compound of hydrogen, compound of sodium, you can see here. They make compound same way: HCl, NaCl, H2O, Na2O, H2S, Na2S. Like halogen, it exists as diatomic molecule and combines with metals and nonmetals to form covalent compounds.